Fix and repair everything. When selling your home, every detail is important. Don't let anything catch your buyer's eye to make them say, "This isn't right." Even under the best market conditions, a home that needs repairs will still deliver a lower price, so make a special effort to fix anything that needs it. You can start with simple things. Make sure all the cabinet and door handles, knobs, and hinges are securely attached. A loose cabinet or door handle can be enough to turn off a buyer. Next, go through each room and replace every burned out or low wattage bulb. You're trying to sell your home, and buyers love bright, airy rooms. So use only the brightest, highest wattage bulb recommended for its fixture. Finally, go through each room and look for anything that needs repair. Are there water stains on the ceiling? Fix it. Cracks in the tile or missing caulk around the bathtub? Caulk it. Do you have loose bricks on your outside front steps? Re-cement them. Fix and repair everything, every little detail, so the home shows in perfect condition. After living in a house for a while, you may no longer notice the little things that need to be cleaned or repaired. That's why it can be helpful to ask a friend to walk through the house and point out anything that stands out. Most buyers want a home that is in move-in condition. By not making repairs, you will limit the number of buyers who may be attracted to your home.